Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahi ala ihsani wa syukrallahu ala taufiqi wa amtinanihi wa asyhadu an la ilaha illallah wahdahu la syarika lahu ta'ziman li sya'ni wa asyhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluhu da'i ila ridwani. And so today on this video I'm about to break down a little bit motivation letter for my future. So as you might see on the screen, I've created a long description text that explain about my backgrounds, a company and university that I'd like to apply for in the future. So before we deep dive into the main topic, which is my motivation letter, let me introduce myself. My name is Abdurrahman Ibn Al-Farisi, a vocational high school student that majoring in network engineer. And why do I pick this category as my main major? Because I like anything that related on cybersecurity. And I have a strong interest in computer networking and cybersecurity, and I'm writing this motivational letter to express my enthusiasm, and I see this country, Indonesia, has a lack of security system, and I think one day I might contribute my skill for a better system in Indonesia. And during my studies, I have focused on mastering network fundamental and any other materials that is related on what am I majoring currently, like configuring root, server, and etc. And to deepen my understanding, I always make my own lab on a software called Packet Tracer, that is an application for TKG or network engineer specialist. And also read a lot of modules that my upperclassmen have created, so that makes my knowledge increase even more. And you know, beyond academics, I have experience developing and making a concept of startup called Localin. And so as you might see in my Figma, here's the prototype of my application. So the Localin itself, it's a solution for micro businessmen that looking for trusted supplier, and for a supplier that had a problem on lack of technology, so that they couldn't reach more engagement or more audience. And the problem that this application solves, that is the lack of digital access that suppliers often faced it, especially in Indonesia. There are plenty of suppliers that don't understand how to market their products, so their market reach is limited, and local UMKM can reach with a broader audience. And branding challenge, we also provide this kind of service for suppliers that lack of watermark branding options. So that makes uh, the interest of businessman who's looking for a supplier is interested. So the solution that this application provide is a platform that connecting between a suppliers and businesses. Like we do help outdated suppliers to listing their products, expanding local OMKM or micro businessmen to a wider audience that had a problem that I've tell y'all before, and providing a custom branding service for business owners to create a wider space or a wider border market reach. Right. And here's the market valuation, that is 61% growing UMKM sector and 64 million contribute to GDP, and 125 billion, that is a potential of UMKM and suppliers market. And the business model itself is to protect our database that require an initial subscription fees for buyers view to the supplier's data. So there is an ad charge for a what is it called, for a business or any person that want to see someone's supplier's data, and we'll take a 15% commission for every purchase for non-premium users to both parties. And that is the summarize of what have I create on this concept of application. And as you might see, here's the more details. What is this is like the document version of the concept, because this is the pitch version, and this like proposal or something. It's telling the vision and the mission, connecting the disconnected, business to business art. And yeah, that is my side projects that I've created during my academics journey, and I'm accused to working both independently and in teams, and in teams as well. And I continuously improve my technical skills through self learning and hands-on practice. And through this opportunity, I hope to contribute professionally, and I hope I could expand my technical capabilities and deliver meaningful impact to the organization that I'd like apply for. The university that I have dreamed of, that is KUFPM or King Fahd University, or MIT probably. Yeah, that is for outside my country. But if in Indonesia, I prefer choose uh, ITB or University of Indonesia. And for the internship thing, I'm planning to internship in Lokalin. No, I'm probably start Lokalin, but my side work is uh, probably in Telkom or Artatel, because Artatel itself is a company that nearby home, right? So it's 11 minutes already. Syukron. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh.